Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use a potentiometer within the dcaclab simulator. So as it is the online simulator, so in Google we need to write dcaclab. Press enter and it will lead us to the corresponding website. So we can click on begin simulation with dcaclab and it will direct us to the main working window. So here we are using its demo version, so you can see it out. So here on the top, okay, we can see all sort of components, okay, and here we will search for our potentiometer. So here it is. We can also call this potentiometer as our variable resistor. Okay, and what is the function of this component? It used to give us, or like if you want to change the resistance, okay, we can do it with a knob. So it is just like a variable resistor. So how we can use it out? We can take one battery. So this is our battery, okay, we can take it out. Okay, we have selected two, so okay, now this is our battery. So there are 3 pins of this potentiometer. Now you can see that we have 3 pins of the potentiometer. The middle one is called as the wiper pin. And what is the function of this wiper pin? With the help of this wiper, we can change our resistance. We can just rotate the knob and our wiper pin used to move on the resistor material, and then we can have a change in resistance. So we will just use the 2 pins of this potentiometer. Now we will try to control the brightness of this lamp with the help of this potentiometer. So now we have connected it like this, and this. And one more thing, we will go and we will change its properties to like 10, maximum voltage is 10. Okay, and here, okay, we need to connect it with like this. Like this. So now our circuit is completed. Now we just need to change the voltages of the battery from up to like 9 volt, approximately 9.06, like this. Okay, and double click on this potentiometer, and here we will also change its value to 500 ohms. Press enter. Now we can see that we are getting 22.9 milliampere current passing through the bulb. And now we will stop the simulation on it and stop it. Current is very less. Now we will try to change our resistance. The current is increasing, and now you can see that our lamp is a little bit on. Now you can see that it is 75.5 milliampere and our lamp is glowing more and more, and current has been now current is now 164 milliampere, and now on full rotation we got 181 milliampere and our lamp is properly glowing. So in this way we can use this potentiometer with our lamp or with any other components to change the resistance and to control the brightness. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use the potentiometer within the DC-AC lab simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.